सार ताप हरन करनम सब दुख हे सरन जोग दयाले दीनानाथ मया करो शरीर स्वस्थ सिमरंत नानक राम दामोदर माधव आनंद गुणी निधान गुरु गरीब निवास गुरु गरीब निवास गुरु गरीब निवास
उठत सुखिया बैठत सुखिया। When I wake up, जब बंदा जागदा है सवेरे, he wants to be happy, सुख चाहता है मनुख। We seek bliss, we seek comfort, we seek warmth. मनुख सुख चाहता है। When I wake up, उठत सुखिया बैठत सुखिया। When I sit down, जब मैं बहंदा है उदों भी आपां सुख पालदे हां। भाओ नहीं लागे जां ऐसे बुझिए। मनुख, you have nothing to fear, कोई तेनू दुख दर्द कलेश, कोई भी तेनू फिक्र चिंता दर्द नहीं होना चाहिए। भाओ नहीं लागे जां ऐसे बुझिए। If you place your faith, if you place your faith in that Malik, that Waheguru, that Garib Nawaz, फिर उठता भी तू सुखियां बैठता भी सुखियां। भाव नहीं लागे, कोई भी भाव नहीं लगेगा। राखा एक हमारा स्वामी, एक स्वामी है, एक मालक है। राखा एक हमारा स्वामी, he is my guardian, he is my father, my mother, he watches over me। किसे पक्ष तो भी दुख नहीं लगन दिंदा। फिर साडे मन नूं बहुत चिंता लगी रहती है, बहुत फिक्र लगा रहता है, बहुत दुबदा दे विच असीं रहीदा है। मालिक आखदा है कि सोए अचिंता। If we place that faith, if we place our soul, the guardianship of our soul at the feet of our Malik, soe achinta, you will go to sleep without any fears, without any chinta, any doubts, any worries, any anxieties. Jaga achinta, and you will wake up in the morning without any worries, any fears. Jaha kaha, and wherever you look, jidhar bhi dekhenga, prab tu vartanta, you will see that Malik everywhere. जहाँ कहाँ प्रभ तू वर्तनता, सोए अचिंता, जागे अचिंता, सोए अचिंता, जागे अचिंता। And wherever you look, जहाँ कहाँ प्रभ तू वर्तनता, that Malik will be everywhere. Appa is avastha de vich, we are trying to reach this state of mind. But jo marji ho jave sadi umar de vich, whatever happens at work, whatever happens at home, ਅਸੀਂ ਬੇਚਿੰਤ ਹਾਂ, we are not worried, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਫਿਕਰ, ਕੋਈ anxiety ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ। ਘਰ ਸੁਖ ਵਸਿਆ, ਬਾਹਰ ਸੁਖ ਪਾਇਆ। ਸਾਡੇ ਘਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਾਲਕ ਸੁਖ ਲਿਆ, bring happiness. In our lexicon, in our dialect, there are two words, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ, or three words, and the matlab, the meaning is very similar. ਇੱਕ ਹੈਗਾ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ, ਇੱਕ ਹੈਗਾ ਸੁਖ, and ਇੱਕ ਹੈਗਾ ਆਨੰਦ। What the Guru wants us to achieve is Anand. The Guru would like us to be living in a state of Anand, bliss. What we are seeking is Khushi. Khushi is temporary happiness. Kakke da vyah ho gaya, sade manan nu khushi aayi, we are very happy. 2 months after the wedding, sare bhul jande ne, we're back to our old lives. Get a new job, very happy. 2 months after getting the new job, slowly we have settled in. We have gotten to know the workplace, we have gotten to know the company and the people, and slowly jehdi oh khushi sigi, that happiness that we had, it starts to disappear. Sukh means comfort. We are comfortable. We have everything we need. Jehdi cheez di sanu lor hai, oh sanu mili hai, and we are comfortable. That is what we should be asking for, not khushi, because khushi is very temporary. Sanu Malik to puchna chahiਦਾ hai. What we should be asking for is कि Malik sanu sukhan di daat baksh. Prabhu ji tu mero sukh data. You are the data who is able to grant sukh. What the Guru says is, once you have achieved that level of comfort, jab tusi sukh ho gaye, then what you actually want to achieve is Anand. Now, with sukh, your comfort can be disturbed. It can be disturbed by outside elements. You've got a new job, you are very happy. Pehla thanu khushi sigi, hon thanu sukh hai. First you were happy and now you are sukhi, you are comfortable. you're not happy, you're not in that state of ecstasy, you're not still celebrating getting that new job. You threw your party, you're not throwing one every week. Or jehdi khushi sigi, you've celebrated that. Let's move on. Now we are sukhi. Or oh jehda sukh hai, it can be disturbed by people in your workplace, by the threat of redundancy. So jehda sukh hai, it can be disturbed. We are comfortable, but it can be disturbed. Lekin jehda anand hai, bliss, it cannot be disturbed. If you were in that workplace and you were in a state of anand about being in that workplace, about getting that job, then the threat of redundancy, colleagues being difficult, annoying, would not disturb that state of comfort, because you are now in anand, not sukh. And this is where we want to get to, Gurmukho. Asa anand de vich rahiye, मालक तो यह दात मंगीए कि मालक सानू आनंद बख्शो। आनंद आनंद सबको कहे आनंद गुरु ते जानिया। Only Malik, you are the only one who can give me anand. Guruji do not mind that we ask for sukh. Guruji don't even mind that we ask for khushi. Unhanu ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਦੀ they're not worried, they're not anxious, they're not worried, they don't mind, it doesn't bother them. They're saying to us that what you actually want to ask for is anand. Because when you enter into that state of anand, koi bhi gami ho jave, koi bhi mara karm thwade aale duale ho jave, thwada man upset nahi hunda. With these words we beg forgiveness. Rakha ek hamara swami, sagal kata ka antarjami. Rag Pairo. We're singing it in char tal.